That lake is the one along the river, right?
Oh, motherfucker, we got P38 streaking us too. Holy shit, we got two P38s here. Three P38s. Oh my god, this is wild.
Oh, try, I'm coming.
They are heading southeast.
Hey y'all, I gotta bounce. Catch you later.
There.
User disconnected from your channel.
God.
Shot lines P38s down.
Nice.
There's 4 of them here. Oh, there's a queen.
Brookie, what square are you on?
That's a mighty airplane with a dead drop or dead engine.
Jesus Christ, dude. Fucking spit out of nowhere. Where the fuck you come from? There you go. Come on. Little piece of shit.
Escapes down.
Yo, Josh.